Hey guys, and today we're going to be looking at our tiny home. So let's have a look. That's our tiny home. We've just started, well, we're 2 years into this build. We just haven't started recording about it. So yesterday we laid down this paver, all these pavers, all across here. And underneath them we have some wood chips from a pile of wood chips we have down in our garden.
And I also just want to mention most YouTubers of how to build a tiny home don't have how to put these the nails in, so put the walls in. So just to let you know, we just use any nails technically for us.
So we're just using these nails.
Yeah.
And then we're just screwing them down straight into the wood. And
After we pre-drilled.
After we pre-drilled it, and as you can see, we're gonna make sure we don't hit any. Okay, so we've got that window right. There's no windows on that door. What am I talking about? On that wall. So we've got that wall there. That is for gonna have all of our tools up on it. And we've got another window. This is what the windows frames look like. So window here, another window there. Got a beautiful view out there. Look how nice our view is. So nice. So yeah. And so with this base we've just got 2 bits of plywood, or I don't know what you would call it, but it's flat wood basically. They costed $30 each, and we've got this wood here as well. Wait, if I can get to focus on it. There we are. We've got this wood here as well, and this wood is for this is 4x6 or 2x4. Yeah, 2x4s, and they're $6 each. This window was pretty cheap because it's we got it second hand, so like $30 or so. 40. Was it $40, Daniel? That window.
Yeah. I reckon.
40. Yep. And then we've just got some drills that we had lying around. So this will be where we're gonna record some videos once we're finished building. But we're missing a very important piece, which is the roof and the walls and basically everything that makes it a house. So yeah. See you guys next time. Please subscribe and check out our other videos. They're slightly different to tiny home videos. They're more like aeroplanes, RC stuff. You probably want to check out like the big plane that I'm 3D printed with my 3D printer, which will now be in here. And we've got heaps of cool tools that's going to be coming in here. In here as well. And yeah, see you guys next time. Say bye, Daniel.
Bye. See you next time.
See you guys next time. Bye.